What if you need to collect screenshots, images, or files through your Framer website? Well, the native Framer form doesn't really let you do that. It has different fields like text, checkbox, radio, or select, but it doesn't have file upload as a field. So you will need another option if you want to let people upload files through a form. The easiest way to create a form that lets you collect images, documents, screenshots from your users while also asking for any other information is by creating a Tally form and then embedding it onto your Framer website. And I can show you how to do that for free. On our Framer website, the final form that we're going to build is going to look something like this. It is on the Request a Feature page, and this is the embedded form, and it lets people upload a screenshot, just choose it from their desktop, upload it, and then submit the form to request a new feature. So we're going to build a feature request form as an example, so you know how to build yours. In Tally, the final form looks like this: request a feature, there are different questions, different fields, and then a thank you page. And I'm going to show you how to build it from scratch. After creating your Tally account, you can just click New Form, and then you'll see you can type in the form title. So we're going to do feature request. A Tally form is just like a doc, so you can either add blocks by clicking plus and then choose what you want to insert, or you can type in the slash command and then choose from this options menu what you want to add. We're going to start with a simple drop-down block, so I'm going to click on the plus and then select drop down, insert, and now I can type in the title of the question and the options, and I can add options also in bulk, so I already have them copied. Bulk insert options, add that in, insert options I want to have on a drop-down. We can also add an option, the other option. So if someone has something else in mind, I'm going to go here and I'm going to choose other option, and then it adds this other selector. And whenever someone selects other, there is an option for them to add what they are actually looking for as a text, like text field. Next, we're going to add a short answer field, asking people to describe their request. Next, I'll add an optional longer field, long answer field. I'm going to ask people to elaborate on their request. Please elaborate. And I'm going to make this optional by removing the star. And here's the star of the show. I'm going to add a file upload field. So I'm going to choose file, file upload, insert. And I'm going to ask any screenshots you'd like to add. And now you can even configure this field. There are so many different options. You can, for example, select maximum file size you want people to upload, or you can choose multiple files if they can upload multiple files, how many minimum files you should upload, maximum file size we already discussed, allowed files, which file types are allowed as well. So I can say it's only JPEG, PNG, and GIF. Let's say that. And now it adds this text as well here. Lastly, we can add an email field, email, so that the person can get notified. I'm going to just add a simple text here. Can get notified whenever the feature is live. And a last thing to do is to add a thank you page, because once the form is submitted, of course, we want to confirm that we got their submission. So also very simple to do in Tally. I'm going to type in the slash command and then thank you page. And now here I can add heading 2, thank you. And of course we can change the text and make it a bit more personalized like this. And you can also, of course, after publishing the form, let's publish it. You can also integrate it with, Notion, Google Sheets, Zapier, etc. so that the feature requests get added to your tool of choice in this case. But let's preview the form first. So it looks like this in Tally. Type of request, payments, your request. I can add some text. Elaborate, I don't have to elaborate. I can choose a file, like let's say a screenshot. And then an email, I can type in my email. And then submit. We're going to test it now also on the live website, because we're going to add this form to our Framer website. How you can do that is you go to copy link to share, you go to your Framer website, Let's remove this for a second. I'm going to add the form underneath the request text. So I'm going to go to plugins in Framer. I'm going to go type in Tally, choose a Tally plugin, enter the URL we copied, click embed form. This is our form. I'm going to cut it out and then paste it, Command V, paste it where I want it to be. As easy as that. The form is in Tally, but it's embedded on our website now, and it was super, super easy. Tally also has a ton of templates. If you don't want to build a form from scratch, you can go through the template marketplace and see if a form exists already that you are looking for. You can resize it on mobile and on tablets, and this is what it looks like. Then you can hit publish, and you can preview your form on the live website and test it. So let's submit it quickly so I can show you what it looks like in the Tally submissions. Type request, accessibility, let's say text, keep it empty, choose a file, email, submit. The form is submitted. We're going to go to our form, and you can see this is a summary of the request and all of the submissions. You can see here as well. You can download it, download all the file uploads, download the CSV with all of the emails and data. Again, integrate, see insights, how long it took people to fill out the form, where they're from. So it's very, very nifty. And now users can upload files directly through your website. Isn't it crazy that we did this so fast? And that's it. I hope you try it for yourself. It's a free feature, and you can go to tally.so and play around with it yourself. Thank you.